Hey everyone, I'm Adrian from Flow Designs. Today we're going to show you how to install our new side splitters on the BRZ and GR86. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the product. Our side splitters, they come in both gloss and a scratch resistant texture. You'll get a fitting kit, and then we also have our optional adjustable bolt-on accessories. So today we're going to install the texture kit on the BRZ and the gloss on the GR86. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, to start the install, we're going to unclip our BRZ side skirt. It's pretty easy to do. There's 2 clips at the front, 5 large ones underneath, and 1 smaller one at the back. In order to do this, you'll need a trim remover tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's go do that. Okay, now we're going to unclip the side skirt. If you have a friend, get them to help you out. It'll make it a little bit easier, but if you're doing it alone, just take it slow and it'll come off. Okay, so before we go ahead and line up our side splitter, you'll get a spacer as part of the fitting kit. We're just going to install that in the pocketed area towards the front of the side skirt. Okay, before we go ahead and clamp it up, I'm just going to explain briefly how this all gets aligned. The back edge of our side splitter will line up to the back ridge of the stock side skirt, and towards the back end of the side skirt there's a little lip which we also use to help align it. It will sit up hard against it. Okay, so if you've got your splitter lined up correctly, the top edge of the bevel should meet the painted section of the bumper, and the back edge should match the back edge of the stock side skirt. So we also have the same thing towards the back end. The back edge of the side splitter will meet and match the stock side skirt. The back edge of the side splitter will sit along the back ridge of the stock side skirt and should match up against all the painted sections. Once you've got everything clamped up and aligning properly, we're going to go ahead and drill some mounting holes. You will need a cordless drill, a 5.5mm drill bit and an 8mm drill bit. We're going to do the 5.5mm first. There is only one hole that requires this size, and it's in this region of the splitter, so we'll do that first. Okay, once you've drilled that one 5.5mm hole, all the other mounting holes, you can use an 8mm drill bit to drill them out. There are a few special fitting kit options for this side skirt. So pay attention to the back 2 holes, the smaller one we drilled earlier, and the hole where we inserted the spacer. They have a different fitting kit combination, but refer to your instructions and you should be okay. Okay, so now that we got our holes drilled out, we're ready to go ahead and fasten our side splitter to our side skirt. The tools you're going to need are a ratcheting wrench, a 8 and 10 mil socket, a 3 and 4 mil hex bit, and a cordless drill or impact driver. That'll cover you for both our M5 and M6 fittings. Okay, we've got our splitter mounted to our side skirt. Now we're going to put it back on the car. We're doing it on the ground just to give ourselves a bit more clearance. Handy hint when fitting this back on, it tends to be easier to work from the front back, just so you can feed this under the door. So we'll do that now. Okay, last step, we're going to put back our clips. Just make sure that your wheel liners are how they were before you took off the side skirt, and then you're done. If you've optioned for our adjustable winglets, they have 3 holes at the bottom and bolt to the side skirt with supplied fittings. They are fully adjustable, so you can push them in and out, rotate them however you like, and just tighten when you're done. Okay, we've got our side splitters fully installed. Hope this video has helped you. If you're interested in any of the products, the link will be in the description below, and thanks for watching.